To watch the latest from India Science, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications on all the science-related videos.
Namaskar. You are watching SciTech and I am Bhagyashree Gupta. Superconductivity, a phenomenon in which electricity moves between 2 points without resistance. There is no loss of energy. Recently, scientists have been able to attain superconductivity at room temperature, which was not possible earlier. Know it all in this video.
Electricity, a discovery of humanity without which life seems to be impossible in today's time. Electricity is nothing but the movement of charge from one point to another. But this movement requires energy, and that's because of the material through which this charge moves. But what if we have a material which has zero resistance? In that case, the material will become a superconductor. Means the change can move in it without any hindrance. Scientists have observed that almost all materials are superconductors. But at very cold temperature, almost all materials behave like superconductors in extremely cold environments. Here comes the great news. On 14th October 2020, a paper was published in the journal Nature, claiming the superconductivity at room temperature. This discovery excited the scientific community. According to this research, a compound of hydrogen, carbon and sulfur can attain superconductivity at room temperature. This material remains superconductors at up to 15 degrees Celsius. Superconductors have several technological applications, from magnetic resonance imaging machines to mobile phone towers, and researchers are beginning to experiment with them in high-performance generators for wind turbines. But here is a catch. This mystery material shows superconductivity at room temperature, but at very high pressure. Pressure equivalent to the pressure at Earth's core. Still, physicists hope that it could pave the way for the development of zero-resistant materials that can function at lower pressures. This is a major breakthrough because for the first time, scientists have discovered superconductivity at room temperature.
Moving on to the next topic. Did you know that globally more than 1 million plastic bottles are sold every single minute and are a major contributor to plastic pollution? But what if we have edible water bottles? They can not only help in controlling plastic pollution but can be healthier too. Sounds amazing, right? Watch the video to know more.
People have been drinking bottled beverages for more than a century. First in glass bottles, then in steel and aluminium cans. But then, plastic bottles came and changed everything. The plastic bottles showed promise as a lightweight and cheap alternative. But these fantastic containers have become dangerous garbage. Globally, 1.3 billion plastic bottles are produced every day and 40 billion bottles in a month. Most of them end up in the sea. Edible water bottles could be a solution. 3 students, Rodrigo Garcia Gonzalez, Pierre-Yves Basselier, and Guillaume Couche of Imperial College in London developed a prototype of an edible bottle in 2014. Today, these bottles have become a sensation. This bottle looks like a transparent balloon filled with water. One can just put it in their mouth. The edible packaging comes from spherification, which involves dipping an ice ball in some brown algae extract and calcium chloride. This creates a spherical membrane that will hold the ice as it melts, returning to the room temperature. The membrane itself is made using food ingredients, meaning it is edible or compostable if you prefer not to eat it, and there is no taste naturally associated with it. You can eat it like a natural fruit as well. Peel away the outer layer, there is then a clean inner layer which you can eat. While for now it is not possible to carry these bottles daily because of their durability, but it does have a wide variety of uses. It can be used at restaurants, parties and gatherings, stores, festivals, events, etc. It can even save fuel used for transportation, as these bottles can be made on site. Who knows, we get to drink all types of beverages in these edible bottles in future.
That's all for this episode of SciTech. You can send us your valuable feedback on the email ID flashing on your screen. Also, download India Science app or visit our website www.indiascience.in for more such videos. Don't forget to follow us on our social media handles as well. Before signing off, here is Fact of the Day for you.
The superconductivity was first observed in Mercury by a Dutch physicist, Heike Kamerlingh-Onnes, in 1911. He cooled Mercury to the temperature of -269 degrees Celsius, and its resistance suddenly disappeared. Later, in 1913, he won a Nobel Prize in Physics for his research.